Hello, my friends. I'm so happy to be sharing this journey with you. Today, we're going to talk about creating a morning routine that sparks joy and sets the tone for a wonderful day. Have you ever noticed how a calm and organized morning can make you feel? When we start our day with intention, we invite peace and joy into every moment that follows. It's like gently waking up your mind and body, allowing yourself to greet the day with a happy heart. In this video, I'm excited to share 5 simple tips to bring more joy to your mornings. These tips are about creating space for peace and intention, setting the stage for a truly fulfilling day. Are you ready to begin? My first tip for a joyful morning is to give yourself the gift of time by waking up just 15 minutes earlier than usual. I know, it can be difficult to imagine waking up even earlier, but trust me, those extra moments can make all the difference. Imagine this, your alarm clock gently nudges you awake. Instead of rushing, you take a deep breath and stretch, feeling the warmth of the morning light. These precious minutes allow you to start your day with calmness and intention rather than feeling like you're playing catch-up. Begin by adjusting your sleep schedule gradually, moving your wake-up time by just 5 minutes earlier every few days. You'll be amazed at how small changes can make a big difference. Remember, this time is a gift to yourself, a way to honor your well-being and begin each day with a happy heart. As you begin your day, remember to nourish your body with the gift of hydration. Just like a plant unfolds its leaves and reaches for the morning sun, our bodies crave hydration after a night of rest. A simple morning hydration routine can make a world of difference. Try starting your day with a tall glass of warm water with a squeeze of lemon. Not only does it awaken your senses, but it also kickstarts your metabolism and gently energizes your body. While you sip your water, allow yourself to fully experience the sensations. Feel the warmth of the cup in your hands. Inhale the gentle aroma and savor each sip. As you hydrate your body, you're also refreshing your mind, preparing it for a day of joyful focus. Chapter 3. Mindful Moment. Finding stillness in the quiet morning. Now that your body is feeling refreshed, let's turn our attention to creating a sense of inner peace and clarity with a mindful moment. Mindfulness is about being fully present in the current moment, letting go of worries or anxieties. Find a comfortable seat, either on a cushion or in your favorite chair. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable and turn your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your inhales and exhales, feeling the gentle rise and fall of your chest. As you focus on your breath, thoughts may arise, and that's perfectly okay. Simply acknowledge them without judgment and gently guide your attention back to your breath. Even just a few minutes of mindful breathing can help to calm your mind, reduce stress, and enhance your focus and clarity throughout the day. Chapter 4. Nourishing breakfast, fueling your body with joy. Just as we nourish our minds with mindfulness, it's important to nourish our bodies with a wholesome and delicious breakfast. A nutritious breakfast is like a warm hug from the inside out, providing sustained energy and setting the tone for a productive and joyful day. Instead of reaching for processed foods, embrace whole, unprocessed ingredients that bring you joy. Imagine a bowl of vibrant berries bursting with flavor, a creamy avocado toast sprinkled with seeds, or a comforting bowl of oatmeal topped with nuts and a drizzle of honey. Preparing a healthy breakfast doesn't have to be time-consuming. Try prepping some ingredients the night before, like overnight oats or a chia seed pudding, so you can enjoy a relaxed and joyful morning meal. Chapter 5. Setting intentions, designing your day with purpose. As we reach the end of our morning routine, let's take a moment to set our intentions for the day ahead. Just like decluttering our homes brings a sense of peace and order, setting intentions helps us to declutter our minds and focus on what truly matters. Find a quiet space and reflect on your goals and aspirations. What do you want to accomplish today? How do you want to feel? It could be something as simple as approach challenges with patience or make time for self-care today. Write down your intentions in a journal or on a sticky note and place it somewhere you can see it throughout the day. This gentle reminder serves as a compass guiding you towards a more fulfilling and joyful day. Outro, embrace the joy of a mindful morning. So my friends, we've reached the end of our journey together, exploring 5 simple yet powerful tips to create a morning routine that sparks joy. Remember to embrace those extra moments after waking, hydrate and refresh your body and mind. Find stillness through mindfulness, nourish yourself with a wholesome breakfast, and set your intentions for a purpose-driven day. I encourage you to try incorporating these tips into your own mornings and experience the transformative power of starting your day with intention. Even small changes can have a ripple effect, leading to more joy, peace, and fulfillment throughout your day. Please share your experiences with me in the comments below. What brings you joy in the morning? I can't wait to hear your thoughts and continue this journey together.